Okay, now it's recording. Hey guys, this is a habanero challenge. Well, not really a challenge, but we're all having one habanero. I'll go first. Or see how long you can have in your mouth. Okay. Oh shit. I can smell that. I'm not doing it. Yeah, you are. You can smell it from here too. Jake, I'm not doing it. That's right, you heard me. You hear that, Jake? I'm not. Shut up! Hey, Jake, I'm not doing it. Shut the fuck up! Hey, Jake, I'm not doing it. Dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That was Jake picking his wedgie. That's why I told you. That's why I'm not gonna do it.
What are you doing? Alright, knock it off. Shut the door.
Go away.
In a minute you're in.
By the way, we're recording right now.
I don't care, Jake. Good. Knock it off. Why are you leaving the refrigerator door open like that? Here. Okay, that's enough.
I need a hot pepper, Mom.
Okay, well stop, Jake.